Hello everybody, and welcome to more Set 3 Phonics with me, Mr. Brooks. So, our sound today is going to be O. Now, I think you know how to say, or how to make our sound O already. I think you know O-W, O, blow the snow, O. But you know this O, so I'm not going to look at that one in too much detail today. Another way to make our O sound is O split E. O split E, O, phone home. Our O, phone home sound is another way that we can make our sound O. But we know that one too, so I'm not going to look at that one in too much detail either. The one we're looking at today is O. Say it after me. O. 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 Well done. We've got O-A, O, goat in a boat. Can you hear the O sounds in goat and boat? Well, O-A, O, goat in a boat. And I can see on my complex speed sounds poster over here, I've got O-W-O, blow the snow. I've got O split E, O, phone home. And underneath I've got O-A-O, goat in a boat. So, we have heard our sound. Should we say our sound a bit before we read our sound and write our sound like we do in every phonics lesson? Let's say it a couple times more. O, O, O. Excellent. Well, I think what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get some of our words on our O, boat and a goat card. I'm going to say the sounds, and what I want you to do is blend those sounds together into a word. Are you ready? Here we go. T, O, D. T, O, D. T, O, D. T, O, D. Toad. Well done if you're blending that one. Let's try this one. Oak. 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 Like an oak tree. So we've had our toad hopping around and an oak tree. Let's keep going. Road. 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 Excellent blending from all of you there. Let's try this one. Oak. 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 Cloak. A cloak, like we've got our birthday cloak here at school, or Harry Potter has his invisibility cloak. Right, I think I'll do two more. Next one. Coach. 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 Like a coach you get on to go somewhere, or a coach for basketball, cricket, football, any type of coach. Our last word, it's a dinner that I like to eat, and I think lots of you do too. Roast. 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 Excellent. Well, now that we've blended our O sound into some words, let's get our green cards out and we can read some of our O words. So, let me just get them in the right order. Let's have a go at reading these words. When I tap the sound buttons underneath, I want you to say the sounds, and then when we get to the end of the word, you blend those sounds all together and say the word. Are you ready? Let's have a go. Okay, I'm going to say them after I tap them now. G, O, T, G, oat, goat. He's the one who's in the boat. Let's go for this one. B-oat, b-oat, boat. Well done. Did you notice that they were almost the same? The only difference was that first initial sound, and that's why goat and boat rhyme. Well, let's keep going. Let's read this one next. Oat, 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 coat. Maybe that goat in the boat needs a coat because he's feeling cold. Let's see about this one. Oast, 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 toast. My favourite breakfast has to be toast with Marmite. Right, 2 more to keep reading. Keep going, let's go. Ode, road. And on to our last one. Throat. Our throat is this part of our body. Sometimes you might see me having a tie up to my throat. Well done for reading all those words. Well, you did a good job of reading those words, but I've got some here with some funny pictures on. They must be alien words. Come on then, let's have a go at reading these. It's the same thing. I'm going to tap underneath the word, underneath the sounds. I want you to say each sound and then blend it into a word. Are you ready? Let's keep going. Oaf, oaf, yoaf. Not a real word. Joan? What's Joan? Again, not a real word. And last one. Shome. Excellent. So, we have read all of our O, goat in the boat words. And we've read some of those alien words too. Well, since we're learning about O, I think we could have a go at reading some of our OW words, O blow the snow words, and our O split E words, O phone home words. So let's have a go at that now. We'll start by looking at our O split E words. And we'll only do a few of these, not too many. Same thing though, tap the sound buttons, you say the sounds, and then blend it into the word at the end. Let's go. Hope. Well done. And oak, spoke. We have got hope and spoke. Great reading. Last one for these ones. Oat. Note. Well done. Well, you've read those O phone home words now. We're going to have to move on to O blow the snow words, so we can read all of the O words we can. Right, let me get my O blow the snow words out. Aha, here they are. Hold on a minute, Mr. Brooks. Those aren't O blow the snow words. Those are our brown cow words. They just have the same graphemes in the same letters. I'm going to have to go over here and get my O, blow the snow words. Sorry about that, guys. Got the wrong OW words. So, let's read a few of these. Slow, slow. Well done for reading that one. Snow, snow. Brilliant. On to our last one. Ooh. Ooh, oh, low. Well done. Now you've read all of our ways that we know to make our O sound. O blow the snow, O phone home, and O goat in a boat. I'm going to say, actually, I got mixed up there between ow, brown cow, and O blow the snow. They look the same. And when you're reading, you might get mixed up too, and that's okay. In fact, it means that you know both those sounds really well if you do get mixed up. So the best way to work it out is to read the word with both sounds. So if I took this one and I thought, oh, that's ow, brown cow, I could do ow, slow. Oh, I don't really know that word. Let's try it with O, blow the snow. O, slow. Oh, I know that word, so it must be O, blow the snow. And that's a really good way for you to practice when you're learning your reading, is to use both the types of sounds that go with those letters. So like I got mixed up, that's all right. Like if you were to get mixed up when reading. Right, I've got this man here. Well, he's not really a man, he's a frog, and it's Fred. And that means it's time for some Fred fingers. And for our first word that we're going to use our fingers to help us with our writing, what I want you to do is to write the sounds on your fingertips, on your leg, on your shoe, on the floor, in the air, wherever you'd like to, but make sure you're tapping each finger for each sound and then putting them together at the end. That means you're hearing all the sounds in the word, and when you come to write it, you'll know how to use your Fred fingers to help you with your writing. Right, well, the first word we are going to use our fingers for is, well, let's see if you can tell me. We need 4 Fred fingers. T, O, S, T, T, O, S, T, T, Oast, toast. Well done for that one. You don't have to be writing your sounds on your fingertips. You could be writing them anywhere. Let's try. Ooh, I've got it. We need 3 Fred fingers for this one. O, O, L, O, F, loaf. Loaf, like a loaf of bread. And, ooh, 2 more I think I'll go for, though I'm a bit torn between 2 of them. One of them I know will have to be the one that I went for earlier. We'll need 3 Fred fingers again. And we've got K, O, Ch, K, O, Ch, K, Oach, coach. Excellent. Last one, and this time we will need 3 Fred fingers again. Definitely 3, not 4, Mr. Brooks, definitely 3. 3 Fred fingers, and we've got R, O. It is 4 Fred fingers. I was right. Sorry, everybody. 4 Fred fingers for this one. R, O, roast, roast, roast. And 2 separate sounds, not one sound like I was thinking. Right, well done for using those Fred fingers to help you when it comes to the writing. And that's going to be really useful because we're going to get to our writing right now. So, to begin with, we are going to use our O. O-A, O, goat in a boat. And we're going to write the words, and when you hear the O in the words that we're writing, this is the O you're going to write. So, for these words, we're going to use goat in a boat. O. Are you ready? I hope so. Our first word to write down, and remember, you can pause the video whilst you're writing it down to give you some more time. Our first word to write down is, well, since he's in a boat, it has to be that. Goat. Goat. Oat. Goat. Have a go at writing goat. When you have done, you pause the video and write it down. You've done it? Well, let's move on. Our next word will be road. 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 Have a go at writing that one down. Pause the video if you need to. Our next one, cloak. 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 Use your thread fingers if it helps. Pause the video and write cloak down. Our next one. Ooh, I wasn't sure about this one. In fact, it'll have to be my favourite breakfast. Toast. 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 And our last one. Throat. 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 Write down throat. Okay. You've written those ones down already. Brilliant. If you've written down all 5, that is fantastic. We're going to do a really quick tick or fix. So, I'm going to use this side of the board. And our first word was goat. 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 Give yourself a tick if yours looks like mine, or fix it and then give yourself a tick. Our next word was road. Road. So I'm going to write it down here. Oh. O. D. Road. Road. Give yourself a tick or fix it and then give yourself a tick. After road, we had Mr. Brooks' favourite breakfast, toast. Oh no, we didn't have cloak before we had toast. Let's go for cloak. Oak. Cloak. Give yourself a tick if yours looks like mine. Then we went on to Mr. Brooks' favourite breakfast, toast. With Marmite. Toast. 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 Give yourself a tick if yours look like mine. Our last one was throat. Throat. And if you could hear it, I was doing the th sound, not the th sound. So it should be Throat. Throat. Oh, my last t wasn't looking too good. I'll do that one again. Because I can make mistakes as well, and I'll fix them just like you do. Throat. 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 Well done for writing those 5 words. Well, since we have written... Oh, where's it gone? Here it is. Since we have written our O-A-O, goat in a boat words, shall we have a go at some other words too? I think we could. Okay. For our next set of words, we are going to be using our O-split-E, O, phone, home. Now, for this O-split-E one, we need to remember these guys are chatty friends. They're special friends that need to be split up by another sound, another letter being in the middle of them. So if you hear the O sound, you know it's going to be this O over here and an E over there, and this split, well, that's going to be another letter in there. So for the next few words, next 3 words, we're going to be using O, phone, home, O. Are you ready? Right, get your pencil and paper ready. Our first word, useful to get out of a tricky situation, is rope. I think some of you took it back to prehistoric times. Rope. 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 Remember doing our split as well. Pause the video and write that down. After rope, I would like you to write, well, we've had rope. I think we can go for broke. Go for broke. Oak. Broke. Oak. Broke. And the last one we will have is, ooh, I'm going to be a bit tricky with this one. Phone. Phone. I wonder if you can remember that Sophie saw an elephant. Phone. Phone. Right, have you written down phone? Rope, broke, and phone are 3 words. Are you ready? Let's tick or fix. Rope. O, and I know I've got my split. Rope. Rope. Give yourself a tick if yours looks like mine. Next one was... broke. Nearly forgot it. Broke. O with my split. Broke. Give yours a tick if yours looks like mine. And our last one was phone. And that f in phone was actually the Sophie saw an elephant f. So it's f, a p and a p and a h. F. O with my split. N. Phone. Phone. That one was quite tough, so you might need to fix it. But if yours looks like mine, give yourself a tick. We've done O goat in a boat. We've done O phone home. It means the next words we're going to write are going to have... O, blow the snow. That's right, we're going to write O, blow the snow too. So, when you hear the O sounds for our next bit of writing, remember we're going to write O, blow the snow. Okay? Brilliant. Let's go. We'll do 3 O, blow the snow words. First one will be flow, like the flow of the river. Flow, flow, flow. And remember the O sound for this one is O-W, O, blow the snow. Flow. Pause the video and write down flow. Okay, next word. Well, it's going to be snow. 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 Pause the video and write down snow. Maybe it's the snow that's making the river flow. And our last one, this is a good one. Glow. Glow. Some animals glow in the dark, especially under the sea. We'll be looking at them this term. Glow. So, flow, snow, glow. Let's start with flow. All. O. Flow. Give yourself a tick if yours looks like mine. We had flow, then we had snow. O. Snow. Give yourself a tick if yours looks like mine. And then we had glow. Oh, trying to do mirror writing. O. Glow. Glow. Give yourself a tick if yours look like mine. Flow, snow, glow. Well, I'm actually going to rub out my g and do that one again. It wasn't very good. And I can make mistakes and I correct them just like you fix your mistakes when we do tick or fix. There we go. Much better. Flow, snow, glow. Excellent. Right. We have heard our sound, we have said our sound, we have read our sound, we have written our sound. Time for me to hide that sound in amongst the ones we already know, and we're going to do some speedy sounds with it. When you spot O, goat in a boat, can you give it a point or give it a wave? Let's go. Here's my speedy sounds. I'm going to slide it in there. Let's go. E. U. E. Ow. O. I. Ah! That was too easy. You spotted that goat, didn't you? Here's O. Goat in a boat. Time to hide this one again. This time, though, I won't be showing you the picture. A. Oi. E. Oh, did you spot it and point at it? Well done if you did. Well, you have done really well looking at the 3 ways that we know we can make our O sound. O-W, O blow the snow, O split E, O phone home, and O-A-O, goat in a boat. I'll see you next time for some more phonics. Well done. See you later.